Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your LG ARISTO. So let's get straight to the point. First step, go ahead and power off your device. Now once your device is powered off, we will be using the volume down and the power button to get into the recovery screen. Now how we do that is press and hold volume down and power both at the same time. Once you see the LG logo pop up on the screen, we will quickly release and repress the power button until the recovery screen pops up. So let's go ahead and do that. Power, volume down. Release, repress. Now here we are on the recovery screen, and how we will navigate here will be using the volume down button, highlight yes, and power button to select it. Now once again, volume down button, yes, power button to select. Once the process completes, your phone will reboot back into the factory screen with none of your information on the device. It will be right back to factory settings.